In the softly lit room, Mohammed Hussein's eyes sparkle with youthful dreams as he excitedly approaches Mirha. Mohammed Hussein's voice rings with pure ambition. Mirha, I want to be a pilot when I grow up. Mirha turns head, gaze questioning. A pilot? Why? Mohammed Hussein's face lights up with the boundless wonder of youth. Because I want to fly in the clouds. Mirha listens intently, her eyes reflecting the light of Mohammed Hussein's soaring dreams. The room glows with the innocent ambition of a boy who dreams of touching the sky. Mirha's hands clap with glee, her eyes shining like the morning sun. Wow, Captain Hussein, what a beautiful dream! Mirha exclaims, her voice filled with playful wonder. She swiftly gathers colourful paper, setting the stage for a whimsical adventure. From today, your flight practice begins, Mirha declares, arranging paper with meticulous care, promising the start of an aerial escapade. Here, the start of your first flight, Mirha announces, offering a paper airplane to Hussein, his face now a beacon of pure delight. Sunlight floods the child's room, turning it into a vibrant playground of imagination. Amid the chaos, Mirha's eyes sparkle with excitement as she announces, Passenger Captain Hussein's flight is ready. Hussein stands near the makeshift runway, a paper airplane clutched tightly in his small hand. Hussein's voice cracks with disappointment. Now, my dream won't come true. Mirha's words ring with encouragement. Dreams don't break, they are mended.
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.